dear students. How are you all? Hope you're fine at home and doing really well at home. So, today is Wednesday, and the date is Today is Wednesday and the date is 23rd of December 2020. And today we are going to do our English work. So please take out your English book, that is Hands on English. So in English we are doing articles. Yes or no? Yes, we are doing articles a, and the. So A is used before the beginning with the consonant sounds. Also, when the first letter of the word sounds like a consonant, for example, a unicorn, a uniform. When it is starting with a vowel, but the sound of that vowel is not vowel sound, but the sound of that particular letter is a consonant sound, then we use a. And an is used before the words beginning with the vowels or where h is silent. For example, an honest, an R, man. Okay, an honest man, an R. Mr. Smith is an honest man. Mr. Smith is an honest man. After that, to introduce the definite article the is used when we talk of a particular person, place, animal, or things. Okay, the earth, the sun, the moon, so in this way we use the when we are pointing, when we are talking about particular person, place, animal, or thing. A used with the consonant sounds and used with the vowel sounds. Sounds. I am talking about sounds. Okay. The used with the particular person, place, animal, or thing. Getting this point? So these are three articles you will see in your English grammar, throughout the English grammar. So you know a is used with consonant sounds, and is used with vowel sounds, and the for the particular person, place, animal, or thing. Getting this point? Now after this we are going to do our page number 43, that is related to your passage. Okay, passage of on the articles. So when h is silent, in last class we I have told you that I'm going to tell you those words in which they are starting with the consonants but sounds like vowel. So when H is silent, for example, honest, R, then we use now R. Is your vowel sound. Okay? Honest. O is your vowel sound. But they are starting with H. Honorable. Honorable. Okay? They are starting with H. So with all of these, we say we use an. Okay, words like Europe. Europe starts with E. Then I will use a European. Okay, a university, a unicorn. So all these words are starting with vowels, but they sounds like consonant. Okay, so these are few words, differentiate words where we use and when it starts with consonant. We use a when it starts with vowel. Why? Because their sounds are not consonant or vowel. Getting this point? So these are few words you should keep in your mind. University, unicorn, Europe, all these are words. You will get more words in your further classes. Then senior classes, then you have honest, R, where H is silent. Where H is silent, but the sound of vowel is coming. Then we use and R go. Okay, he is an honest man. Getting this point? A and an is used with singular things, singular noun, not the plural noun. Okay, so let's start with the passage. When you will read this passage, you will come to know about a and the. Okay, why I'm using a, why I'm using and why we are using the. Okay, when we are talking about particular thing, the same particular thing, the then will we use the. Let's read. Read and underline the article A with blue, and with red, the with green. in the passage below. A with blue, and with red, the with green. So first of all, we are going to read, then we are going to find a, then and the. So first of all, I'm taking my blue pen or blue pencil. It was a holiday. Binu and Vinay went with their parents to the riverside for a picnic. Mummy carried a basket of nice things to eat. She gave Binu a sandwich, a slice of strawberry cake, and an orange. Vinay only wanted an apple and a few potato chips. Just then, they saw an ice cream vendor. I want an ice cream, said Binu. Her brother also wanted to have one, so they both enjoyed an ice cream each. Let us walk by the river, said Binu. They saw many birds wading in the water. They saw a bird lying on the sand. It had long white plumes. It was an egret. The bird had an injured wing. Vinay gently picked up the bird and they took it home. Daddy put an ointment on the bird's wing, put it in an open box. The next day, the bird was better and could fly. They took the bird back to the river and let it go. Now, whenever they go to the riverside, the egret come out to greet the children. So now a picnic, a basket, a sandwich, a slice of strawberry cake, a few potato chips, a bird. So all these is used with the singular noun and they all are starting with consonant sounds. They all are starting with consonant sounds. So you're going to make a list of a. Okay. Now we are going to work with the. So please take out your green pencil or any color, green color. It was a holiday. Binu and Vinay went with their parents to the riverside for a picnic. Mummy carried a basket of nice things to eat. She gave Binu a sandwich, a slice of strawberry cake, and an orange. Binu only wanted an apple and a few potato chips. Just then they saw an ice cream vendor. I want an ice cream, said Binu. Her brother also wanted to have one, so they both enjoyed an ice cream each. Let us walk by the river. Why the river? Because they are talking about particular river. Okay? Said Binu. They saw many birds wading in the water, particular water of that river. They saw a bird lying on the sand. It had long white plumes. It was an egret. Egret is a bird. Okay. The bird had an injured wing. Vinay gently picked up the bird. Now, why the bird? First of all, we have used a bird. Now we are using the bird. Why? First of all, we are introducing that there was only one bird who was lying on the sand. Now we are talking about that particular bird only. So we are using the for that bird. Okay, so the bird. We are not talking about every bird there. The bird who was lying there. The bird and they took it home. Daddy put an ointment on the bird. Again, we are talking about the bird's wing, the particular bird's wing, and put it in an open box. The next day, कौन सी दिन की बात करें? The next day, the particular next day, the bird was better and could fly. They took the bird back to the river. Same bird, the particular same bird to the particular same river. Now, and whenever they go to the riverside, the egret. Now they are talking about that same particular bird. The egret come out to greet the children. The children means Vinu and Vinay. Vinu and Vinay. Getting this point? Now we are going to mark Anne with red. So see, I am reading it again and again so that reading good. Okay, I will read it again and again so my fluency in English will increase. Okay, so let's start with red now. It was a holiday. Binu and Vinay went with their parents to the riverside for a picnic. Mummy carried a basket of nice things to eat. She gave Binu a sandwich, a slice of strawberry cake, and an orange. Vinay only wanted an apple and a few potato chips. Just then they saw an ice cream vendor. I want an ice cream, said Binu. Her brother also wanted to have one, so they both enjoyed an ice cream each. Let us walk by the river, said Binu. They saw many birds wading in the water. They saw a bird lying on the sand. It had long white plumes. It was an egret. The bird had an injured wing. Vinay gently picked up the bird and they took it home. Daddy put an ointment and on the bird's wing and put it in an open box. The next day, the bird was better and could fly. They took the bird back to the river and let it go. Now, whenever they go to the riverside, the egret come out to greet the children. So you are going to make the list of all the earth article, then an article and the article. A holiday, a picnic, a basket of nice thing. You're going to put a where the is. You're going to write it like this. A holiday, a picnic. Make the list of the children, the bird. Okay. Similarly, an orange. You're going to make all the list. An apple, an ice cream. So you are going to make the list like this. Okay, you're going to do this in this particular manner in your notebook. After doing this, we are going to do question answers. What did mother pack in the picnic basket? With the nice things, that was a sandwich, a slice of strawberry cake, an orange, an apple, and few potato chips were all in the basket. What all would you like to carry in your basket, picnic basket? So you're going to tell me what should be there in your particular picnic basket. Do you enjoy eating ice cream? Which are your favorite flavors? So you will say yes, I enjoy eating ice cream. If you really enjoy, if you don't enjoy, if you don't like eating ice cream, say no. Okay, if you like which flavor, like strawberry, chocolate, blueberry, all these are the mango, banana, butterscotch, all these are the flavors of ice cream. You can mention few of them which you like. Now let's do the comprehension question. Where did Binu and Vinay go with their parents? Where did Binu and Vinay go with their parents? So you will find the answer in the passage. Binu and Vinay went with their parents to the riverside for a picnic. So the second line of your passage is your answer. Vinay, Binu and Vinay went with their parents to the riverside for a picnic. This is the answer number one. Okay. So you're going to write it in your notebooks. What did Binu eat at a picnic? So, Binu did past tense. Binu ate a sandwich, a slice of strawberry cake, and an orange with an ice cream. So, Binu ate ho jayega, ATE. Because your question is in past tense, your answer should be in your past tense. Remember that? Now you should take care of your past tenses and present tenses and all the tenses. Okay. So I am marking the answer here. Binu ate a sandwich, a slice of strawberry cake, and an orange with an ice cream. Okay. What did they see while walking by the river? They saw, now past tense. They saw many birds wading in the water. They saw a bird lying on the sand. Okay, so this is your answer. They saw many birds wading in the water and they saw a bird lying on the sand. So this is your answer here. Why does the bird come out whenever it sees Vinay and Binu? Why? Because the egret come out to greet the children. To greet the children to say thank you because they have saved her life. Should we help injured anyone? Yes. Share an experience of your own. You're going to tell me your experience of your own where you have helped any animal. That you have helped any animal, you're going to tell me. You can say that in the winters, I used to give them a spare blanket or the blanket we don't use. I used to put those blankets outside my house so that the dogs in the winter can sleep on them and feel cozy and warm. Okay, so you can say yes, or you can say there was a one, say I give them a milk in the morning or a water to drink. Okay, so all these can be your experiences. So you should share an experience of your own where you helped any animal. So you're going to do your question answers. You're going to read page number 43. You're going to underline all the articles and you're going to complete the question and answer. So now it's time for your diary. So please take out your diaries. So the date is 23rd 12 2020. Subject is English. Read page number 43. Underline all the articles and do question answers of page number 43. So do complete your work. In next class, we're going to learn something new about articles. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.